what it looks like when one of the 27 ohm resistors is completely torched. Flash! MPU and driver board, and this is the one that had the severely burnt 27 ohm current limiting resistor, and the tip 42 to the left of it and the 2N6427 to the right of it were also blown up, and the failure then backfed all the way up to the 7408, which I've socketed. I always socket, and replaced with a 74F08. I have replaced all 12 of the headers all the way around, plus the 40-pin header that connects the boards. Somebody had already replaced the headers on the MPU, did a nice job. And I was happy to see that they had replaced all 4 of these 24-pin sockets with ROMs and the 6810 in it, as well as the 40-pin socket where the 6800 sits. I added a blanking signal to it. This can be found in the pin wiki. So let me boot it. And that's a normal boot. Lamp matrix is doing what it's supposed to. And the only LED that's on, or coil drive that's on, is the coin lockout one. That is a flasher that's flashing periodically. Okay, let me boot that one more time and show you what the LEDs are supposed to do on a proper boot. They just come on and they go off. If the driver board were not attached, they would come back on again. So into test we go. You're listening to KC95 out of St. Louis, the Real Rock radio station. Lamp test. Coil test. And then the coin lockout coil will go off. If I let this go around again, it'll come on and blank. Now let me test the special solenoid input switches by grounding each one individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all I did was I have a ground wire connected to power supply, and I did that. The last test we can do is switch edge test, or switch test. Pennytech tester. And this is all of column 1. And I'm going to do all of row 8, because the last switch in flash is switch 40. So we have everything working. I'm going to set this to free play. To setting 18, factory default of 20. I need to know what the credit switch is. Let's try something. Good guess, switch 3. So I'm just going to advance this all the way through to 0, 0. And now this game is on free play. We will reboot. Score display is normal, lamp matrix normal, and the only coil that's flashing is one of the flash lamps. So it looks like we're good to go, and I thank you for sending it.